Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, the next stock which is ready to move up is Salarius Pharmaceuticals, and that is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. And if you are looking at this current trend, you will see that stock is probably near to its support level or at its support level. Okay, so you will have your stock support in between. So this is the big support which one need to look at, 0.63 and 0.56. So this is the support which you can see in this particular stock, and if the stock falls below 0.56, then obviously what you need to do, you need to close your trend. Now on the upside you will see your first target at $2. So this is what we are looking at for the time being, but the thing is, because the way the stock has shaped up, it probably looks that we can actually see a bit more higher levels on the upside in this current swing. So a swing means obviously a high, but it's not going to be a straight high. There will be some corrections and consolidations. So looking at this particular trend, if the stock, let's say, makes a breakout above $2 and sustain above that, then you will have your next target at 5.1 followed by $7. Then you have your next target at 14.7, and probably the big target which we could probably see on the upside in this particular stock for the time being will be $25. So these are the levels that we are looking at for the time being in this particular stock. And let me tell you that, as I already told you, but I am saying this thing again, this is not going to be a linear rise where the stock actually move from $1 to 45 $25 in a single stretch. It may probably happen because because the kind of volatility you have in the market, it's not a big deal. But that's not the way we are looking at this particular stock or any stock for the sake of information. Now what you need to do here, first you need to look at your first target, which is $2. And once the stock sustain above $2, then you will go one step after another, where you have 5, 7, 14 and probably 25 on the upside. So this is the way to approach this particular trend. Do not simply jump and say I'm aiming for 25. Obviously you will, or you probably can, but you need to understand that you need to spend some time for that, because we are looking at a weekly chart. Obviously it's going to take couples of weeks or to couple of months in any normal course of action, or if the trend moves in a normal way, or if the price moves in a normal way. But in case of any big consolidation, or in case of any volatility where the stock could probably move uh, in a very big with a very big percentage either on the upside or on the downside, then it will be a different case. So that we are not considering. If it happens, that's fine. If it doesn't happen, that's also fine, because if we understand the trend and the trend will move as per our forecast, then what we need to do, we need to go along with the trend. So these are the levels which we are going to look at in this particular chart, and with a minimum support you have the maximum risk reward in this particular stock. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.